Alright, BB. We're in Anasco at the Par 24 Steakhouse and Tapas. Alright, vamos pa comida Puerto Rican this time. If not, vamos pa Caplash, a Grey Goose. I don't know.
I don't think we're dressed for this, guys.
It's okay. Sí. If you don't open the water, we ain't gotta pay for it. Huh?
I'm gonna do the skirt, the Mofongo.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Do the mofongo. Alright. Go to the ladies' room.
I like these chairs, they're nice.
It's a nice little place out here. We got outdoor dining on the waterfront, but it's too hot today. I'm gonna get the same thing you're getting, BB.
Alright.
Right there.
Okay.
I'm a fungo. ¿Cuánto vale esta soda? Son of a gun. How much you think the soda? This soda is gonna be expensive. But this is a beautiful place anyway. Look at all those wines over there. Son of a gun. Alrighty. You gonna drink your latte?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting to have it up close and personal.
And there goes Jose with his Coca-Cola. No rompe la vaso, pues. Es 100 pesos ahí. That's $100 glass. And don't open up the water. Si tú abres la agua, tú pagas. You open up that water, you paying. I've seen that water before.
Yeah, so have I.
Wow, that's a shrimp mofongo.
Yep. And ours is the same.
You get to tener ahí, you got a fish? Oh, salmon with rice. And me and BB got the same.
Yes.
A steak with everything.
Yes.
Son of a gun.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Now that's Puerto Rican food.
Yes, sir.
That other thing you were getting over there was not Puerto Rican food.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, boy.
And the garlic sauce is right on point.
Vamos a ver. El shrimp. Qué grande, holy moly. Oh my God.
That's jumbo.
That's a mofongo. How's it taste?
Superb.
Tearing it up, dude. Is it salmon you said? Fish?
Sí, salmon.
I never seen it like that. I mean, I don't know too much about fish. It's
I
pink.
know you don't, but yeah.
¿Quieres probar el arroz?
No. Either you want to try the rice, not the fish.
I had so much salmon with my ex's grandfather, I just, I don't like salmon no more. Because he used to have salmon every day. I was like, oh God. Now I see salmon, I'm like, oh, I'm not hungry anymore.
Tell you one thing, they get big shrimps here.
Yeah,
How's it coming along?
it's coming along good, and that it's a lot of steak in that.
Yeah.
Fungo. Ouch.
Got another coffee.
I did indeed.
Eat it up, dude. Eat it up. No leftovers.
Or maybe.
We will check it out. That was good. And this is their third level that's not open. Poor Laura. Tiene que caminar. Los calera.
It's gonna be beautiful. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's a roof, so tú no vas a caer. Wow, look at that. And I think that's the caplash, ahí. This is beautiful. Yep, and they party up here once they fix the floors. There's a club and everything.
That's what I say, when they get done redoing it, it's gonna be nice.
It's nice and cool out too.
Yeah. Ship out there.
Yeah. Almost looks like a battleship or something.
It could be.
And there are those houses down there. This is nice.
They were the biggest damn chickens I've seen.
Ah, mira la gallina.
They selling the property, so whose chickens are it? That rooster's like, it's a little crazy down there. I think I'll go back up. Because he was heading down and then he like all of a sudden stopped.
Hi, BB. Jose and Laura.
I know.
Okay, BB, Jose and Laura. We're over here. This was great food. Woo. This is Pod 24.
Uh-huh.
Alrighty. Until our next one. Bye, bye. Adiós, adiós, amigo.